This is my multi-tool collection number 2. These are all Weatherman. This micro, micra. I open it. They put it upside down, but flip over. Now this has a scissor and not a plier. Small knife blade. Regular screwdriver. Fingernail file, and that's to get dirt from under your fingernail. Now, if you saw my first video, I cut myself a little bit, so I just put a Band-Aid on. It's not really bleeding no more, but this, there's one of the little ring for keychain. Real small screwdriver, a cap lifter. It says for Phillips. So they make they do the sides like that angle for Phillips. And then, let me close these. Okay, you see that? You hear that? I don't know why they put tuning fork on a knife. So, if you know why they put tuning fork on a knife, let me know down below. It doesn't make sense. My next one is this one. Weatherman has leather pouch with belt loop snap. This is a juice model. It's blue. That pigtail is loose. I wish it wasn't. So open. They put it upside down again. Okay, this has needle nose pliers, regular pliers, and wire cutter. Okay, nothing there. I don't really know what this is, but there's a hole. You see the small hole? And it's not sharp like a knife, but if you know, tell me what it is, please. I want to find, where's this one? Okay, wait. This saw was a wood saw. That thing was sticking me almost. Here's regular knife blade, not saw rated. That's all on this side. I still don't know what this is. Oh. Uh-oh. Why it don't close? This should... You see that? It won't close. That's some be like that. And this, I already showed you the wine opener is loose. And this is, that's a cap lifter to open soda bottle. I don't know. Let me know what that is. I might have to not like this one. Oh, they opened the wrong hand. That seems like it would work really good. That's a scissor. I think this has some problems. I don't know. See that? I don't go like that. I don't like that one. There's another Weatherman. This all Weather snap. Weatherman PST Piston 2. I have a 1, but I traded for this number 2 because it had the sheep. My number 1 didn't. So there's brewer in inches and millimeters. There's that part. Knife with saw rated. See? Next one. They all come out at one time. Screwdriver. Ow. Screwdriver. Smaller screwdriver. Oh, wait. I think I gotta close that. This is cool. I don't usually carry this because I usually carry pocket knife. Wait. Maybe that's it. How's this work? Uh-oh. Okay. Now, wait. Okay, in case you don't know, that's how you use the swizzer. Hear it? That sounds like cut good. Wait, I'll figure out later. I'll show this side. I think this is a bottle lifter or a can opener. No, this has Phillips head with actual Phillips head. The other one was just flat, small screwdriver. And metal file with, oh, that's a knife file, sharpener with, that's for